I always knew that I wanted to work with children. When I was in high school, I worked in summer camps, I did childcare, and so I knew that I wanted to go into education. And then my freshman year in college, I was on that path, and I taught Sunday school to 3-year-olds. And I knew that at that time that, yep, I wanted to focus on the kids that were struggling a little bit more and had more challenges, kind of a specialty area. We work with children all the way from birth to age 6, so it's those early years. And I work mostly in 0 to 3. We cover a primary service provider model, so I might be going in and working on other areas of development as well. These children that I work with are receiving special education services, so I go on home visits throughout the day. So I'm driving around from home to home and providing the intervention right in the home and try to incorporate that into the child's daily routine. So I'm doing a lot of coaching of families. And I'm also sometimes meeting families at local play groups or getting them as they're starting to get to that preschool age. I might be helping to transition the child into a preschool, so connecting them with local preschools. We're trying to really work within the child's daily routines. So we are, if the child is struggling, say with communication, we're looking at not just sitting on the living room floor and we're working on an isolated skill. We're trying to take that skill and move it into lots of routines of the day. So that might be during mealtime, during outings, things like that. So we're taking the strategies that we're teaching the parent and we're talking about how can we incorporate that into their daily, everyday routines. Connection is one of my biggest values. So helping parents connect at a different level with their child. I work with a lot of families that have their child might have just been diagnosed with autism, and so connection is really challenging. So helping that relationship grow and that learning how to connect with their child is huge.